mostly what I built the business around, besides like using a quality part like the Link, is we back it up and we help people, you know. It's like our slogan says, like, make it go. So we don't just sell a part and then that's it, see you later. You know, we try to support people. The first thing you do is you have to study the functioning of the factory computer for my plug and play kits. So usually my starting point is to try and replicate all of that functionality. So all the I/O the Extreme has, and then we'll just adapt to the card where it completely replaces the factory ECU. Everything, yeah, air conditioning, all that stuff. But then I add some features too. So on this car in particular, it has electronically controlled hydraulic on the power steering. So we're controlling that with the Link. So now we can manually set, you know, how heavy it is by what road speed and that sort of thing. And the last thing I did was I have a feature now in all my kits where if the car is off, but you have the key on and you hold down the gas pedal, it clears all the codes after like 5 seconds. Just little convenient stuff like that. You know, when I'm developing my product, it's not just a one and done, like I'm continuously improving too, you know? So the more features that get added, the more improvements I can make, so we're happy. You know, and when people say to us, hey, you know, is it capable of adding this feature or doing this in this way? The answer is typically yes. And I like being able to say that. I try to keep everything first line support. But once in a while, if there's something really tricky or there's maybe part of the code I don't understand, I just email Link and it's like, even if it's the middle of the night, it's like 10 minutes. Yeah. You got to do something because my company is really small. So anything you can do to set yourself apart, you do it.